Hey guys, welcome into SpenCertified. My name is Spencer and today I'm going to show you the McIntosh MAC 1700. This is an amazing receiver. It's a hybrid between tube and solid state, which is really unusual. Let's get into it. McIntosh was founded in 1949 by Frank McIntosh and Gordon Go. In the 1960s, they began designing amps such as the MAC 1700 with a hybrid design. This technology uses the best of vacuum tubes and solid state to produce the best sound performance possible. Hybrid amps are unique in that they have the warm, liquid tone of tubes while also performing with the clean power and control typical of solid-state amps. This combination is better than peanut butter and chocolate. So as we stated earlier, this is a hybrid receiver. This means that it uses a mix of tubes and solid-state technology. This particular one is a two-channel hybrid receiver made up of three main stereo components: a solid-state preamplifier, a solid-state power amplifier, and a tube FM MPX stereo tuner. For the preamp section, it has 16 silicone planar transistors which result in high thermal stability, low noise, and superior high-frequency response. For the amp section, you have two solid-state 40-watt power amps, one for each channel. This helps make the MAC 1700 fail-safe, regardless of the speaker load. The tuner section consists of 8 tubes, 3 transistors, and 10 diodes. The tuner section uses 6 tubes, while the MPX section uses 2 tubes. Tubes are the hallmark of true vintage systems. They create an enriched, colored tone that you would miss out on from a modern digital audio system. If you ever get the chance to listen to a hybrid or tube amplifier, you should. It's definitely worth it. For the specifications on the MAC 1700, the power output is 40 watts per channel into 8 ohms. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The total harmonic distortion is 0.25%, and the weight of it is 34 pounds. It was manufactured from the year 1967 to 1973, and they were all made in the USA. The 1960s sparked creativity and introduced McIntosh's iconic glowing front panel. Legend has it that Gordon Go pitched the idea, and after crafting their own unique ink, McIntosh's signature gold lettering shines bright in the daylight while a cool teal glow takes over in the dark. Thanks to silk screening on the back of the glass, the lettering stays flawless no matter how much you use it. On the front panel, you have silver knobs for the input selector, tuner, and the bass, treble, and volume controls. Switches for mode, to set it to stereo or mono, filter in-out to reduce high and low frequency noise, tape monitor muting to eliminate interstation noise, loud in and out to compensate for low volume listening, and a speaker on-off switch. It also has a headphone jack for hooking up a nice pair of stereo headphones. For the rear panel, you have the FM antenna connections, speaker terminals, dual phono jacks, that way you can hook up 2 turntables if you want, a ground terminal to ground your turntable, tape monitor input, auxiliary input, and tape HD input, which is used for connecting a tape player with no self-contained electronics such as a preamp, and a tape output for recording. There's also a muting control, which determines the strength of signal necessary for a station to be heard with the tuner in the muting position. And then of course you have AC outlets. There are 2 black AC outlets and 1 red AC outlet. The power to the black outlet is controlled by the front panel, which is good for components such as a tape recorder, while the red AC outlet is on all the time. And a quick fun fact, did you know that McIntosh amplifiers powered Woodstock in 1969? This famous festival was one for the ages, featuring 3 days of peace, love, and music for the hundreds of thousands who attended. That was a good overview of the McIntosh 1700, and if you're interested in buying one, we do have it available on our website, but we only have one, so get it while you can. It's at SpenCertified.com, and thank you very much for stopping into our shop today and watching our video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. We'll see you later.